Tulfo Brothers nagluluksa sa pagpanaw ng inang si Mami Karing. Nagluluksa nga guys ang Tulfo Brothers na sina Ramon, Ben, Erwin at Rapi sa pagkawala ng kanilang ina na si Caridad Teshiba Tulfo o mas kilala bilang si Nanay Karing. Siya nga ay namayapa nitong Martes, August 27, 2024 sa edad na 97. Sunod-sunod nga ang naging social media post ng magkakapatid na Tulfo para magbigay tribute sa namayapa nitong ina. Una nga nag-post si Erwin sa kanyang Facebook page ng larawan kung saan makikitang nakatingin siya sa inang nakahiga sa hospital bed. Bye, Mom. Thank you for bringing us into this world. We will never forget your love and sacrifices for us. Thank you for teaching us how to help the needy and fight for the helpless. Thank you so much, Mom. We love you. Till we met again. Sad nga ni Erwin sa kanyang caption. Maging si Senator Rapi Tulfo ay nag-post ng kanyang mensahe ng pamamaalam nga sa ina. Dear Mommy, there are no words to describe how very thankful I am to you for bringing me into this world. I am not going to be who I am today if not for your love and care that you unselfishly showered upon me since beginning of my life. Paalam, Mommy. Mahal na mahal po kita. Saad nga ni Senator Rapi. Sa kanyang Facebook post naman ay inalala ni Ramon Tulfo kung anong klaseng ina si Mami Karing sa kanilang magkakapatid. I recall Mom would let beggars into our home and feed them even if there was not much food on the table for her 10 children. Mom would pawn her jewelry to lend to these wives of my father's soldier who cried for help for their sick children. Panimula nga nito. Relihiyoso nga din daw itong si Nanay Karing na siyang namana ng karaniwan sa kanilang magkakapatid. Madalas rin daw itong mag-donate ng kanyang pera sa mga charitable institution. Sa huli, bagamat may lungkot sa pagkawala ng ina ng Tulfo Brothers, naniniwala si Ramon na masaya na ito sa langit kasama ang kanilang ama, pati na rin ang namayapa niyang anak sa langit. Aniya, Mommy, please say hello to God and all the saints in heaven. Say hello to Dad, our brother Felix, and grandparents from both sides. Your brother Eusebio, your sister Flora, and Conching, and all your other departed relatives and friends. Samantala, ibinahagi naman ni Erwin ang detalye patungkol sa burol ng kanilang ina. We, the children of Caridad Teshiba Tulfo, with heavy hearts, wishes to inform everyone that our beloved mother has joined our Creator today, August 27, 2024, due to natural causes. Mami Karing is survived by her children, Ramon Jr., Tucci, Wanda, Ben, Bong, Joseph, Rapi, Erwin, and Idel, with her daughters and son-in-law, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren. Her body will be laid in state at the Sanctuarium at the corner of Araneta and Quezon Avenue, Quezon City, starting on Wednesday, August 28 at 6 p.m. She will be laid to rest at the Heritage Memorial Park, Taguig on Sunday, September 1 at 11 a.m. Pakiusap naman ng pamilya Tulfo sa mga makikiramay na imbis na maghandog o mag-alay ng mga bulaklak, ay magbigay na lamang ng donasyon sa religious at charitable institution na kinabibilangan ng kanilang ina. Our deepest condolence to Tulfo family and their relatives. Rest well in paradise, Ma'am Karing. You are in the good hands now with your love, beloved husband in heaven. So that's it guys. Sabay-sabay tayong makiramay sa Tulfo Brothers at sa pamilya nga nito. At kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, kindly hit the notification bell, like, and share. Maraming salamat. Ingat po ang lahat and God bless.